Today, I'm starting a pretty special project. A friend of mine got into a car accident after attending a party, and he asked me to bring his Subaru WRX back to life. And this is what it looks like now. The front end took a serious hit. The frame is bent, the hood is crushed, and the entire grille section has basically collapsed. For most people, this would look like nothing more than a pile of scrap metal. But for me, it's an exciting challenge. This WRX used to be a real street monster, and my job is to restore it to its former glory. In this journey, I'll be inspecting the frame, measuring the damage, pulling the body back into shape, and replacing the parts that didn't survive the crash. Step by step, we're going to bring this Subaru back from the dead. If you enjoy heavy-duty rescue builds, stick around. This journey is just getting started. And that wraps up part 1. I've straightened the entire frame, pulled the front end back into shape, and repaired all the major damage from the accident. Now the Subaru WRX finally has a solid foundation for the next stage of its comeback. In the next episode, we'll start reassembling everything and bringing the car back to its original shape. Stay tuned, because from here on, the transformation is going to happen fast.